Hey everyone, are you ready to learn about our number of the day? Because today we're talking about a very, very special one. Seriously, you're about to find out why this number is a total hero.
This hero is about to make an appearance, so pay close attention to our special number lesson today. So, to kick things off, guess what? I've got a present just for you. Look at that. It's all wrapped up. This gift holds the key to our hero. It's going to be amazing. Just wait and see. What do you think could possibly be inside? Maybe a super cool toy car or a yummy cookie? Go on, take your best guess. Okay. Are you ready for the big reveal? Let's open it up and to see what's inside. Ready? 3, 2, 1, ta! It's empty. There is nothing, absolutely nothing inside this box. Isn't that the silliest present ever? You know, this empty box has me thinking, what do we even call it when there's nothing there? Like, if I ask you, hey, how many toys are in that box? What number would you say? You can't say 1, right? Or 2, you'd say there are none. So how do we actually show the number for none? Well, we show none with this. Look at that. This awesome round number right here. This is 0. The super special number we've been looking for. That's right, we call it 0. And you know what? Since its special job is to show us when there's nothing, we're gonna give it a cool nickname, our hero of none. That's a pretty big deal, don't you think? So here's the big secret. 0 is just the number that means none or nothing. It's that simple. So if you have none of something, it means you have 0 of it. Let's try saying this together. Ready? 0 is the same as none. And 0 means none. Watch this 10 frame. See? It's empty.
0, none.
But wait a minute. How many dots side of it?
Yep, you got it. They're totally empty, just like our silly present box was.
Wow, you are doing such a great job with this. You already know exactly what our Hero 0 is all about. So, what do you say? Are you feeling ready to do a little practice with our new favorite number?
Yeah, I thought so.
Let's do a countdown all the way to 0. I want you to say the numbers out loud with me. Get your biggest, loudest voice ready. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Yay, we did it, everyone!
Hooray, so much fun.
Keep cheering with us!
Yay, more fun.
Woohoo! That was amazing! You totally did it! All right, so as we wrap things up, what's the one big thing we need to remember from today? That's right, 0 is our hero of none. It's that super important number we use for nothing at all. You've learned all about the incredible number 0. So now I have a special mission for you. I want you to look all around you today and see what else can you find 0 of. H. Are there 0 elephants in your living room? Are there 0 bananas flying around your head? Go have fun and be a 0 detective.
Detective mode on. No elephants here. No bananas in the sky either. Hi everyone, let's play. High five.
Bye.